can go ahead and make money on Instagram through using Instagram stories as a complete beginner. What's going on, guys? My name is Anthony. Welcome to the video. Once again, today we're going to be talking about making money with Instagram stories. If you don't know me or you're new to the channel, my name is Anthony. I run a 1 million follower network on Instagram, and I also run an Instagram marketing agency. I make videos like this to help you take your account from 0 to hero. If you're trying to grow your Instagram, if you're trying to monetize your Instagram, make sure you subscribe to this channel because this is the only channel that goes over the actual working 2018 strategy. So make sure you hit that sub button. Now, most people only think that you can make money on Instagram through selling shoutouts. That's what everybody thinks. Heck, that's even what I thought. You know, it just makes sense. Grow a big page and then companies are going to want to go ahead and buy advertising from you. In reality, shoutouts are one of the most least profitable ways to actually go ahead and monetize, and it is one thing that actually requires a lot of followers to do. If you want to make a full-time business out of shoutouts, guess what? You actually do need a big account. Gurus love to preach this because it forces you into the belief that you need a big account to make money, because with shoutouts you actually do, and they make you believe that that's the best way to make money when it's really not. Now, while there are some very profitable things you can do, like flipping accounts, buying and selling accounts, buying and building accounts, consulting, middlemanning, brokering deals, there's all that type of stuff. This is something that is a little bit different and that is honestly a little bit easier. As long as you have time on your hands and you're willing to put in some work, you can make this pretty profitable from the start of a brand new account. The first thing that you need is a product to sell. Now, this doesn't have to be your own product. This could be anybody's product. This could be an affiliate product. So let's say, you know, you want to be an affiliate for a fitness supplement company, right? And maybe you want to go ahead and affiliate, who knows, maybe one of their protein powders, right? So you would go ahead and on your fitness page, you could go ahead and you would do a story, and your story structure needs to be a little bit different. Most people use stories to just post pictures or just post videos, but keep in mind, this story has to be optimized so that you can actually make sales. So let's say that you're growing a viral fitness page. Maybe you just started the account. What you want to do is to go ahead and do a story as yourself, build a personal connection and talk about this product that you've been using, the results you've gotten with it, and you're basically using your story to actually tell a story. 5 to 10 videos actually talking about the product, you, and the results you've gotten with it. And then at the end of your story, you can do something called story polls, where you can have people vote yes or no. So at the end of this story, you would do a poll and you'd say something like, if you want more information, click yes. When people click yes, when you go into the insights of Instagram, it actually shows you all the people that clicked yes and all the people that clicked no. Well, guess what? You now have a ton of people that clicked yes and told you that they want to know more about this product. Now all you do is DM them. Instagram has literally given you a list of leads of people that have said, yes, I am interested in this product. Now you just go ahead and DM them and give them that more information that they need. And this basically works the same for anything, right? So if I wanted to go ahead and use this strategy on myself, let's say to sell my course or to sell consulting packages, I would go ahead, I would make a story, say, you know, hey, what's going on, guys? My name is Anthony. You know, before I was struggling on Instagram for a long time, but you know, then I started crafting the strategy and yada, 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 and blah, 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 blah. And then at the end, you know, through telling the story, now what has happened is I've gone ahead and I've pre-framed their mind into building a personal connection with me, getting to know me, and getting them to see my results so they can see this actually works. Then when I say, hey, if you want to watch a training that goes over exactly how to do this, click yes. And then the next option will be a poll. Everybody who clicks yes, that is my list of leads. Then I would go ahead and I would DM them with my webinar link, my consulting packages, my client sheet, whatever it may be. It works for fitness, it works for me, it'll work for any other niche out there, and it is one of the easiest things that you can do. Tell a story through your stories, use a question-based pitch. This question is what's going to set yourself up so that you can actually go ahead and DM people, and then you DM with more information, okay? You never want to just go ahead and spam people. You see newbie marketers do it all the time. They think that just by sending people messages, you know, they're gonna go ahead and make sales. This is basically the same thing, except people are telling you, yes, please send me this information. Please send me your links. When you send somebody your affiliate link, they never buy. But when you can flip the script and have them ask for it, when you send it to them, they buy. So whatever niche it is that you're growing in, find a product that is going to go ahead and convert well within your niche, and then use this strategy, and I promise you, if you just put that work in, it will start to convert. To take this a step further, once they opt in, make sure you go ahead and have email retargeting campaigns set up. So not only do they watch the story and then they ask you to DM them, and then you DM them with your link, make sure that link actually takes them to a landing page. Then you could scrape their email, and now you have them in your email database where you can pitch them more products. Or if that conversation, you know, kind of gets lost, or or if they don't buy on that first click, you could have a whole 7-day email follow-up setup to go out so you probably get them maybe 2, 3, 4, 5 days later. A lot of people don't buy on the first try. Many people buy on the 7th to 12th follow-up. By taking a person off Instagram and getting them onto an email list where you could have like a 15-day email autoresponder set up, you now have content provided for them for the 15 days that is completely hands-free. And if you went from making, maybe 1, 2, 3 sales to maybe making 10, 20. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video on how to make money with stories. If you did, if you took value out of it, make sure you give it a like. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for the most up-to-date information about Instagram. Now, if you're looking to take Instagram serious, if you're looking to really, how do I grow accounts 0 to 100K? How do I do all this stuff? How do I turn Instagram to a full-time business and actually become profitable with it? Then I do have a free training. I'll leave it linked below. This is a really advanced training, so make sure you go ahead and take that. Now, shout out to the winner of the free consultation call. I'll throw your comment up right here. All you gotta do is go ahead and email me at support@viralvenom.com. I'll leave that email also in the description. Send me an email. Go ahead and let me know that you're the winner of the YouTube consulting call, and we'll go ahead and book you in. For those of you that don't know, I give away free 30-minute consulting calls every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. If you want to enter, all that you have to do is comment on my videos, okay? The more of my videos you comment on, the more the chance you have to win, because I pick a random person and then I announce it on video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So make sure you also put on post notifications so that you don't miss the video, because if you miss your name being called, then you kind of miss out. With all that said, once again, guys, be sure to like this video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more Instagram videos daily. Keep grinding, keep hustling, and I'll see you all on the next one.